Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you add drop shadow in Adobe Premiere Pro. As you can see, I've selected this clip and I have put this text here. If you want to put the drop shadow behind this text, you can just go to Effects and search for drop shadow. As you can see, drop shadow here. Just click it and drag it in this to this text. And after that, here you can see, you will see the drop shadow, opacity, direction, distance, everything. You can just change it like this. You can change the direction, you can change the distance, where you need to put it, like this. You can change it, opacity. You can change the distance, how far it is. Now let's change the distance here, like this. You can change the drop shadow color also. Let's change the softness. You can click on this shadow only also, and as you can see, shadow color, you can click it and change the shadow color. I'm changing it to green. Click on OK. As you can see, the shadow color is green here. So guys, that's how you can add drop shadow in Adobe Premiere Pro. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.